Traveler's Eye. Kaş is a charming resort town that's situated on the Mediterranean coast of Turkey. This place is known for its beautiful beaches, crystal clear waters, and picturesque landscapes. Whether you're into sunbathing or exploring historical sites, there's something for everyone. The easiest way to get to Kaş is to fly to Antalya Airport. Once there, you can either rent a car or take a bus to Kaş. The drive from Antalya to Kaş is breathtaking, so make sure you have your camera ready. There are plenty of options for accommodation in Kaş. You can stay in a hotel or rent an apartment for a more homey feel. If you're on a budget, you can also check out the hostels in the area. There are so many things to do in Kaş that you won't have time for everything. You can spend your days lounging on the beach, exploring the ancient ruins, or taking a boat tour of the area. The food in Kaş is amazing, so make sure to try some of the local delicacies while you're there. Before you go, here are 2 final tips to make your trip to Kaş unforgettable. First, make sure you bring some comfortable shoes for walking around the town. Second, don't forget to pack sunscreen and a hat for the hot days. Thanks for watching.